going today? What?
Alright, Swag to the Wheels here. Today we have this issue. As you can see, my headers are looking a little green. I was driving, my engine just started smoking like crazy. So right away I thought that my head gasket just went. But pull over to the side of the road, open the hood, and just see there's coolant everywhere. So you can see it's all over here too. You can see it down there, right there obviously. So in this video we're gonna replace that with a nice Civic Radiator. 1990. I just told them to get a 93 Civic Radiator, and then I got everything else 93 Accord. So already looking at that radiator, I'm probably gonna have to like zip tie it because this doesn't reach. I might be able to figure something out because the upper mount for this is directly in the middle. So, but we'll see. So right now we're just gonna start with, I guess, draining whatever's in the radiator, and we'll start from there. All right, so there's for my car, there's 2 radiator fans. So I just unplugged this one right here. Plug's right there. And now there's one more plug. Zoom in right there. See the wires sticking out of it? See, there's that plug I gotta get from the bottom, I believe. And did we just finish draining? Oh yeah, just finished draining now too. I'm kind of surprised that much coolant came out because, dude, my car like blew up in smoke. Like, it's crazy how much coolant came out. I know this radiator has to be bad. Where the hell did it leak from? Who knows? But this radiator has been bad for a long time ago. I put like 2 cans of stop leak through this mad long ago, so it's probably just leaking like crazy again. So either way, if this changing the radiator doesn't fix it, then it has to be the hoses, which the hoses really are fine, but I'll change those if I have to. I have extra ones and I'll change them in the future. But anyway, let's do this. I feel a little dumb. I just figured out if I took out the overflow, that plug is literally right there. Look at that shit. So I already got it loose down from below. See, the clip is underneath, and I got it to come off that much, but now I should be able to just reach down in there and bam, that was a lot easier. All right, so now we just gotta take these hose clamps off and take this mount off. As you can see, this mount's fucked up, but we won't be needing it anyway. Shit snapped off one day. I forgot exactly how this happened, but it happened. So these hoses shouldn't take too long. I know that bottom hose is at a terrible angle, so should be easy though. Easy, but time consuming. So we'll be back. So I literally 5 seconds later, I just took this off, and look at this. This piece just fell off. The mount. So this radiator is literally just. That's funny. But I love how simple and easy this is to fix. Like, it's just fun. Like, it's not a headache. It's just time consuming, and that's the fun part. Like, to work on it, get shit done without a problem. That's the funnest way to work on cars. So, just thought I'd throw that in there. All right, so I gotta get that bottom hose, and we should be able to lift it right out. All right, so we finally got it out. Who knows where it blew from? It could have gone from anywhere down here. This is where it's all green. You can see it's probably been leaking down here for months. So that's coolant in it too. You look at all this on the front. Who knows if that's just filled up or something? I don't know. We got one mount down here. Pretty sure that's the only mount we can use. Might have to figure something out, but let's just throw her in. Actually, we need 2 hands. So it fits in there pretty good. I should have recorded real quick, but I have these things. I wasn't sure what they were, but they fit right in there, and they're basically sleeves to go over these. Turns out that it's supposed to go, I believe it's supposed to go this way, and that's just literally an adapter for my hose, so that there's no like worry. So I'm about to throw her in real quick. Put this in the hose first. Perfect fit. And then just put it on and then clamp. But oh yeah, I need to put at least one radiator fan on that. So I need to take one of these guys off. I think I'm gonna take this one. This one looks better. Yeah, I'm pretty sure one of these are broken. We'll pick that one. All right, let's start swapping. So obviously the fans don't line up from Accord to Civic. So I should have got Civic fans, but that would have been more money. So, and plus I need this plug. It's probably the same on the Civic, but I'm gonna leave this guy in there. Yeah, it's just tight, not going nowhere. So should be good for now. So let's put her in and see how it works. So this is gonna be the first start. Let's get to bleeding it. She's almost done bleeding, and then once she's done bleeding, I gotta go rush to work. But she'll just gotta bubble a little bit more, and then should be done. So unfortunately, I'm gonna have to cut the video off here real quick because I gotta rush to work literally right after this. So I just changed this hose. Let me add that in. This hose was leaking when I first purged it. This hose started leaking, so that's why I had to change it real quick. But now it looks like it should be good. So yeah, hope you guys enjoyed. Give the video a thumbs up, subscribe. I got another video to post soon too. It's probably gonna come out before this video, but I'm stacking up videos with this new phone. I like recording now because I don't have to worry about my phone at all. Alright guys, I'll see you soon. Yeah, swag out. What's up guys? So just cutting a couple days later, unfortunately. So I had to rush to work and I didn't really explain how I mounted the radiator in the car. So basically it's just in there. Like the only thing holding it in there is the hose or the hoses and this one zip tie. So literally the radiator is just chilling there, but it's in there and it's staying still. I did a huge burnout. I showed at the beginning of the video. That huge burnout was with this radiator in it, so it's holding. But look at this. Look at this. Look at that. Good old crack. Fuck this shit. Anyway, swag out. So I'm about to take a ride in Justin's 2017, right? 2017 SI. Sedan gang. So the Genesis is gone. It's been gone. She's off. Was it sold? Have you checked?
Yeah, it was sold. Yeah, for $12,000.
$12,000. Oh, chill. Okay, second gear chirp. You like that front wheel drive,
I love
don't
it,
you?
I missed the rear wheel drive because of like all the power. Because in the Gen, from first gear to second gear, I was at 35 miles an hour. This one only had like 27.
Yeah, they got shorter gears.
Yeah, but it's
it puts
quick.
the power down better with the shorter gears.
You think? Yeah, this gear, I mean, this car always chirps. Like, the wheels always spin and everything. See, you're already laughing, like, just driving in it.
I'm still thinking about that chirp.
You liked it?
We should go behind retro, yo. If you really want to do a safe, straight pull.
That's for another day. Because there was traffic on the main road, so I was like, alright, how's this road?
Neighborhood.
Neighborhood, alright. hit it at the stop sign.
Oh, chirp, chirp. Chirp, chirp. And that's not even to red line either.
No, not. You can't redline this car. You lose
like,
torque. You
really?
lose so much torque, yeah. Oh, look, there's SRT. Is that SRT?
Yeah.
Hey. Yeah, you're supposed to shift for this car like 55. Because you don't have anything after that.
Yeah, basically.
It's quick, right?
Yeah. Shit. How much horsepower is this again?
205.
205.
Not even to the wheels.
That's a good.
It's a
190 to the wheels, I would say.
Yeah, it's a safe number. Your second gear is weird on this car, but I shifted
Second
like.
gear's weird and all.
Oh really?
Yeah.
I already like took it into the dealership asking about second gear. They're like, nah, it's normal. Because like
It's louder. Second gear's always louder.
Yeah, look here.
There's a car behind you. It's more on the downshift than when you're shifting into it.
What do you think?
It's got a lot of power for
Yeah.
a 1.5 liter.
Dude, it's a 1.5 liter car. It reminds me of the Gen. Not as powerful as the Gen, but like it's probably as quick as the Gen because like it's 400 pounds lighter.
Mad light.
400 pounds lighter. Front wheel drive, so it's not losing any horsepower. It's the rear wheel.
Word.
But yeah, man, I gotta go pick up my brothers.
Yeah. Quick drive. The Gen.
Yeah,
It feels so weird saying the Civic.
Yeah.
I miss saying the Gen.
Well, technically, it's a Gen X. If you think about it.
10th Gen.
10th Gen.
10th Gen Justin right here.
There you go.
No Instagram.